First on CNBC interview is Hugh Johnson. We should mention that Hugh serves on our CNBC Global CFO Council. It's good to see you again, Hugh. Thanks for joining us. If I had to try to talk about the most important thing you said this morning, is it the full year forecast for revenue? Because of how well you did this past quarter, you're now boosting that above previous expectations.
Yeah, good morning, Joe and Becky. Great to be with you guys. Yeah, that probably is the first headline of the morning is super strong revenue growth out of the company right now. We grew the third quarter 9%. We raised full year guidance on revenue to approximately 8%. So, you know, lots of people have looked at the CPG space and wondered if the enhanced revenue growth is temporary. I think we can confidently say in our case, it's not temporary. We really see strong market share gains, strong innovation, as you all were talking about earlier on the show. And as a result, the demand for our products is just terrific right now.
A lot of it has to do with reopening, and for a while, there's just no doubt that your results were impacted to some extent by, people not eating out, people not going to fast food, whatever. But when we were closed up, we're kind of in this half open. I guess we're open, aren't we? Is that the bottom line from what you're telling us? We still worry about Delta, but I think we're more open than closed at this point.
Yeah, I think that's right, Joe. As we look at what we call our food service numbers, so a lot of the consumption out of home, both in the snack and beverage business, those are up about 30% right now. It's really gotten back to just about 2019 levels. So I think for all intents and purposes right now, you can say that we're sort of back to normal as normal can be in sort of this challenging state of affairs. So what to me is encouraging is while the channels like food service are doing better, we still see in the grocery stores really good, strong growth across the take-home channels as well. So that's why I say, to me, for us, it goes beyond that. It's really firm-specific around the combination of the innovation that we have, which has been terrific, and the fact that we're gaining market share in about 75 or 80% of our markets around the globe. So it's pretty broad-based strength based on the things we're actually doing.
Hey, have you had to navigate the global supply chain, the structure and the shortcomings and some of the COVID impacts on that? And are you still navigating that? Because it seems like it's still pretty problematic.
We are. It's been a challenge for us, just like everybody else. I think because of the resiliency we had previously built into the supply chain, we're doing pretty well. But particularly with packaging, which comes from a lot of areas around the world, it hasn't been easy on us. Our supply chain people have really stepped up and I think done a nice job. But we're not immune to any of that by any stretch of the imagination. I mean, global supply chains are disrupted right now. The good news is because of the advanced planning we've done on a lot of it and because of the forward buying we do on commodities and materials, I think we're navigating it better than most.